Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to do a tiny unboxing. So we have this pair of headphones. This one is called KJ EDX Pro X, and there are many YouTubers reviewed this earphones and this sounds really good for the price. So I bought my pair only for $6 from Shopee. As you can see here, it's about 177 baht, which is around $6, and you can buy these earphones from AliExpress too. If you are international buyer, you can buy them. So I bought here actually gray color and without microphone because I don't really need microphone. Currently I'm using this pair of earphone, which is Apple's earphone type C one, because my device only works with type C. But here I got a 3.5 mm one, and I'm going to buy a type C cable later on. So the packaging is very similar to Apple's packaging. So as you can see here, this one is Apple type C earpods packaging, and it is pretty much similar, but in terms of thickness, this one is maybe two of the Apple's package. As you can see here, maybe two. So, and as you can see here, there are a few writings here and all the information actually here. And it got a 3.5 mm and the drivers. These are pretty good for the price actually. I'm not really an audiophile, but I do really listen music. As you know, I have reviewed a lot of MP3 players and other things, so I do listen music. So let's unbox this. Here are the earphones. So as you can see here, they're looking pretty nice actually. So let's see what we are getting, other things. And the packaging is really good actually. It's really good, nice. And we got our earphones. Here maybe our cable, 3.5 mm. Let's see. So here is the cable, and the cables are detachable, so you can make them wireless or wired or type C, whatever you want. You can get this cable. They are very cheap actually, maybe $2-3 pairs, but you can buy expensive one too. So here is the warranty card, but there is nothing here, and I don't think I can take warranty from this kind of product because I bought it online. And here are extra ear tips, and they are not really that good actually. So as you can see, silicone tips, not really good quality one. As you can see here, they are not really good, but they are there. So here are the main things actually, the earphones, but they are pretty stuck there. As you can see here, they looks pretty nice actually. So here are the buds. So as you can see here, they looks pretty good, and they are transparent, but they are not really transparent because I bought it like this because I don't really know the color of the transparent one will change after uses or not. So because of that, I bought grayish color. So it still looks good. So this got dynamic speakers. So I think they're going to sound really good. And here is the cable. As you can see, it's pretty nice and gold plated actually. There is no microphone. Here is the cable, and you can connect the cable actually pretty easily. These are called actually in-ear monitor or IEM. So mostly those who are actually musician, they use this kind of earphones. And I bought these earphones just to play games actually, because I usually don't really like this kind of earphones. But anyway, let me connect this. So both of them are connected. As you can see, they're looking pretty good and stylish. So if you are looking for this kind of earphones, and you can directly buy from their website or AliExpress, they sounds pretty good. And as I'm not really a professional or anything like that about audio and other things, so I'm not going to like give you a review of how this sounds or anything like that, because I don't have any idea about those kind of thing. Usually I'm going to know actually this sounds good or bad, because as I have used a lot of earphones, as far as I know, that sounds good. They used to be pretty expensive back then, like more than $20, but right now you can get them for 10, 7 or $12 everywhere. If you buy with a microphone, it's going to be a little bit expensive, like $1 or $2 more, but for the price, this pretty good actually. This looks good, and sounds pretty good. So that's all about this unboxing. As I said, I'm not going to review this, just for unboxing. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.